Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is array to BST. We have given a sorted array and we have to convert into a height balanced BST. So it is also called AVL tree. So the question is pretty straightforward. Let's build the approach. We have given this array. Let's take the index also. So to convert into a height balanced binary search tree, why not we take a middle element first and all the smaller elements present on the left hand side. So we will place all the left hand side elements into the left child and all the right hand side elements we will place on the right child. So we have L and R and we have a middle element 1, index 1. So first take middle element, we have taken middle element and all the elements is from mid minus 1. So we have a range L to mid minus 1. So we have an array here, we will pass array, we will not build a new array, we will just update our L and R pointers. So this is our L, this is our R, because mid element we have picked and greater elements will be on the right hand side. Here we have a range of mid plus 1 to R. So 0 index, so 0 index middle element is also 0. Okay, so now all the elements on the left hand side we have to pick from. So let's take 1 2 3 4 and we have a range of L to mid minus 1. Mid is also 0, so L here and R here, and on this side mid plus 1 to R. So R here, L here. As you can see, L is greater than R. If it is the case, then we have to return null, means not a valid value. So here we have a range, so 0 1 2 or 3. So 5 by 2 is 2. So we have a mid element and all the smaller elements is on the left hand side. So L2 mid minus 1, mid is here 1 2 3 4. So this is our L, L2 mid minus 1. So this is not a valid range, we will return null from here. On the right hand side 1 2 3 4 we have mid plus 1 to R. So L and R, so we will place 4 here and left hand side we have null and null. So this is pretty straightforward. Let's code this. So we have a build function and I am passing array and our range L and R. So this, so first base case, if L is greater than R, return null. Else find your mid element, first mid index, then build your current node with mid value. Then left hand side we have to pick from L to mid minus 1 and right hand side we have to pick from mid plus 1 to R, and at the end return your node. Let's submit this and we have successfully solved this question. I want to tell one thing. GFG has this challenge 30-day POTD challenge. So the criteria is to solve problem of the day for 30 days and you have to upload a screenshot uh, either on X or LinkedIn with a hashtag of this, and you can also tag my account. So you have to do this for 30 days. So today is the last day to participate in this challenge and you have to continue solve 30 days POTD, and on the last day don't forget to share your chart here. So and the reward is you will won Amazon voucher if your account is valid and all the checks passed, then you will win Amazon voucher. I expect it is a 500 rupees Amazon voucher. So they also provided this opportunity um, 2 years back. And that's it. I will link this article in the description box. Thank you all for watching this video.